Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to learn how to embed a Folium map in PyQt5. If you have never used Folium library before, Folium is a Python visualization library used for visualizing geospatial data. And it's also one of my favorite libraries when it comes to visualizing different geographical data. And I'll cover more on how to use Folium for visualization in the future. So right here's my application. In this application, I have a Folium map embedded to this window. And right now the location is set to Golden Gate Bridge. And Folium is a pretty good alternative to Google Maps if you don't want to spend a lot of money on doing all the geographical visualization. Now let's look at how we can embed a Folium map in PyQt5. Alright, so here's my code snippet. Before we get started, make sure that you install the Qt Web Engine Widgets module. And you can install the module by using the command pip install PyQt Web Engine. From the Qt Widgets module, I'm importing QApplication class QWidget, QHBoxLayout, QFeedBoxLayout, and the system module. I'm also going to import a couple more libraries. I'll import the IO library and the Folium library. And if you don't have the library installed, you can use the command pip install Folium. Now let's take a quick look at the code snippet. So here's my QApplication instance, the CSS style sheet, my app instance. I'm going to assume that you already know how to build a very basic PyQt application. Now let's take a look at Folium's documentation first. Here, let me zoom in a little bit. So from Folium's library, I'll use this map class. And we're going to embed a geographical map to our PyQt window. So here we need to provide a coordinate. And let's go to Google Maps. So let's grab some coordinate values. So here I'm going to grab the coordinate value of Golden Gate Bridge. I'm going to assign the latitude and longitude to this coordinate variable. Next, from Folium library.map, we want to assign a title. Let's name the title Golden Gate Bridge. And we can set the zoom on launch. And we'll set the zoom to 13. Then we need to provide a location value, which is our coordinate. And I'll assign the output as M. So this is going to be my Folium map object. Once you create Folium.map object, we need to convert the information into bytes. Here, let's create an IO bytes object. So this object is going to be kind of like a container to store all the information from this map object. Now we need to pass the map data to the data object. So we'll type m.save. Inside the save method, we'll pass the data object and we'll set the close file parameter value to false. And let me insert notes. So this will be save map data to data object. Now we have the map's information saved in this data object. Now we can display the map using QWeb Engine View widget. And I'll name the output as web view first. This equals to QWeb Engine View. And I'll take the web view object .set HTML. And we're going to convert the data object into HTML markup basically. And to do that, we can use the getValue method first, .decode. And lastly, we need to add the web view object to the layout object. And that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look. So if I launch my application, and here I have a typo. This should be zoom start. Alright, so let's take a look. So here's our map. and my default location is set to Golden Gate Bridge. Now let's say I want to change the location to, let's do Central Park. I'll grab the corner value, and I'll paste the corner value with Central Park's corner. Now let me launch my application again. And here's my map of Central Park. Alright, so this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.